This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating prerequisites and taking safety steps. First, run PC health check, or why not Win11 to see if TPM, secure boot, or CPU checks fail. Next, open your BIOS/UEFI and verify TPM is set to 2. 0 and secure boot is enabled. These are common blockers. Make a backup or system image before proceeding so you can recover if something breaks. Once done, note the specific failure codes so you can focus the next steps on whatever the tool reported. Now you perform the detailed execution inside firmware and drivers. Reboot into UEFI using Del, F2, or the vendor key and locate security settings. Enable TPM, Intel PTT, or AMD FTPM, and switch secure boot to standard or enabled. Save and reboot to Windows, then update your BIOS/UEFI and chipset drivers from the manufacturer's support page to ensure compatibility with Windows 11 checks. Make sure fast boot isn't masking changes. After update, finish by choosing the correct install path. If health check now passes, upgrade via Windows Update or use the Media Creation tool to install Windows 11. If firmware changes still fail and hardware is unsupported, consider a clean install only after accepting risks. Registry bypass and unsupported installs remove Microsoft support and may break updates. If things go wrong, review the health check logs, reopen UEFI to confirm settings persisted, and contact your OEM for firmware assistance. Make sure to restore your backup if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.